How's it going, Jeremiahans? Today, Roland announced the 88-key version of the Roland GO piano 61 keys that was launched 2 years ago. This 2-year-old piano was launched in 2017, January, for the NAMM show 2017, and a couple of weeks ahead of the NAMM 2019 show, Roland has decided to announce a bigger version of the 61 keys GO piano. And the 88 keys GO piano has some little exciting stuff about it, but there's also some disappointing stuff I found in the 88 key version. The selling point of the Roland GO piano is that it's really lightweight, it runs on batteries, and they comes with Bluetooth speakers. You can plug in an aux-in cable. It's got a lot of the famed Roland sounds, good pianos, good electric pianos, good organ and string sound, bread and butter sounds that made Roland famous for use in a lot of gigs. However, some of the complaints about the GO piano is that there's just simply not enough keys, because if you're a serious classical player, you usually want to have at least 76 or maybe even 88 keys, and you want a keys that's a little bit stiffer, that simulates the weighted keys of a real piano. So let's make no mistake, this is by no means a replacement for a Yamaha P125 or a P515, for example. There is currently not really a piano or a portable piano that caters to this market. So this is not an arranger keyboard. You're not going to find any fancy rhythms or arpeggiators or all kinds of synth sounds in there. No, make no mistakes about that. In fact, in the Roland GO piano 61 keys, the 40 sounds that were found in there were mainly just the bread and butter sounds, piano, strings, electric pianos, and organ. So the GO piano 61 keys was very lightweight at less than 4 kilos, and the additional keys in the 88 key version raised the weight up to 7 kilos, which is still pretty portable considering it's 88 keys and you can bring it around. It comes with internal speakers. And one of the biggest shortcomings of the GO piano 61 keys, I hated the speakers. The inbuilt speakers just sounded really teeny. There is no low end, there's no high end. It just made the really good samples sounds bad. However, when you plug in headphones, then you can hear the good quality samples. That was because the 61 key version had only a 2.5 watt times 2 speakers, and that was really just anemic, and it was not able to bring out the nuances in the samples. However, Roland has improved on it for this 88 keys version. Because of the larger chassis afforded by the 88 keys, Roland is able to put in speakers that's 4 times more powerful. Now you get a pair of 10 watts speakers. That hopefully should make the sounds of the piano come out much better, although it's no match to even, for example, the Casio CTX that has 15 watts times 2. Right now, I don't think there's any other pianos out there that is battery operated, lightweight, 88 keys, semi-sprung. We have the Yamaha EW series, but that's just 76 keys. And even the P121 by Yamaha is only 73 keys and it doesn't run on batteries, but the advantage of that is that it's fully weighted. I do like the Bluetooth enabled speakers on the GO piano, and this has been carried forward to the 88 keys version as well, which is great, for playing along. So this is not a piano you're gonna gig with. It doesn't have proper audio outputs. It just has a stereo mini jack output, so it's not gonna be the best to connect to PA system, but I'm sure for really small gigs, it should be fine. The whole point is to have a very lightweight, portable, battery run piano, right, at a very affordable price. I think the price range of this piano is about $350 to about $400 US. Shouldn't cost more than that, otherwise it's not going to be very competitive. But there's one disappointment that I found in the 88 keys GO piano. If the specification is not wrong, it only comes with 4 sounds. 1 piano sound, 1 electric piano sound, 1 organ sound, and 1 string sound, which is a far cry from the 40 voices available on the 61 keys version of the GO piano. But maybe because due to the market research, a lot of piano players really just stick with 1 sound and they don't really explore the other sounds in the GO piano. So maybe that's how they used to cut down the cost, and in return you get more powerful speakers. So the other thing that has been improved is that I really hated the touch sensitive buttons on the Go Piano 61 keys. The Go Piano 61 keys has only one tactile knob, which is the volume knob. Everything else is just touch sensitive, and I really hated that. That didn't work very well with me. I like my tactile feel on my buttons. So the 88 keys has improved on that. We get a lot more tactile feels in terms of choosing the voices, but they also keep some of the touch buttons, the less frequently used functions like your metronome, etc. And one of the cost-cutting measures is that the LCD screen has been done away with, so there's no LCD screen now because there's only 4 voices now. You don't need the LCD screen to display the 40 voices. You don't need to know which of the 40 voices you have selected, so they've done away with the LCD screen, which is a good and bad thing. I suppose it consumes less power, less things to break down and spoil. I am surprised that the other thing that was sacrificed is the chorus effect. So in the Go Piano 61 keys, there is a chorus effect as well as the reverb effect. The chorus wasn't adjustable, the reverb is adjustable. However, in the 88 keys version of the Go Piano, we get reverb, but there's no longer any chorus. And as to be expected of a pretty modern musical instrument, it is GM2 compliant. It has a USB jack that transmits and receives USB data. However, it doesn't have a built-in audio interface. What's good is that it has a 99 song recorder, but it's only a 1-track recorder, so you're not going to be able to do any multi-track recording. This piano is for those who want a beginner piano, proper 88 keys, semi-weighted. I wouldn't call it weighted, it is just stiffly sprung and it's box shaped, unlike a keyboard or a synthesizer kind of keys. And it's cheap, you can get it for 300 odd US dollars. And let's see how this progresses. Once I get more information, I will update this channel. If I can get my hands on one of those units, I might just make a review for you. Till the next time, bye bye.